Now on YouTube, the titles you have for the videos you've made in the past and the videos you are going to make in the future, the titles are going to be a huge game changer. Now, imagine this. For you to create an amazing thumbnail, it takes a lot of work. It takes a lot of shooting, it takes a lot of editing, and it's a whole game, right? But the title itself, it can be a very fresh entry for an old video you made that actually can pick up in the algorithm. So, in my opinion, if you want to take your channel to a next level, what you should be doing is look at the previous videos you have, which you might have, if you're an old YouTuber, like you might have a lot of videos in the past, and you can change the titles of those videos very quickly and improve the CTR of your channel, which is going to send very, very good, essentially, effects to the algorithm. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Agent Gold so that you can improve the CTR of your videos. And as you know, YouTube looks at these two factors, which is the audience retention as well as the CTR. And CTR is a big one because you can affect it very quickly with the title and the thumbnail. The audience retention is like a little more difficult because of the fact that it's actually the entire video. Now, we're gonna go on with this in two sections. Number one, my videos, and number two, titles for me. And these are essentially going to be like this. If we are talking about the videos you have made in the past, that means you have already published and you want to increase their CTR and maybe give them a fresh breath of like this new views, what you can do is you can hop into my videos in Agent Gold, and thus boom, 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 you will see all of these videos you have made. And as you can see, these are actually videos I've made on my channel, which there's like thousands of subscribers. And what you can do is you can pick one of these videos, let's say this video right here, and then you can click suggest titles, and this page is going to pop up. And right now, Agent Gold is actually watching the entire video and is going to give us title suggestions in my style as well as in YouTube's best practices. And now Agent Gold gave us a lot of titles that we can think about. Now, here's the thing. This is called My Style and this is called the Click Magnet. So what is the difference? Why do we have two different, essentially, title categories? Number one, My Style. So you personally probably have a style that you are coming with these titles yourself. What this does, what Agent Gold here does is, it analyzes the previous videos that you had, which means, for example, let's say you had 50 videos in the past. It analyzes the way you title, and then gives you all of these title suggestions that you can use. And as you can see, like my title suggestions are generally a little shorter than the click magnets. Why? Because my style is a little like that on YouTube. And when you look into click magnets, which is called essentially the best practices, and what you will see here is these are proven ways that these videos can essentially get views. These titles might not be a little your style, but they will get views. And here's what you can do. Let's say you have this video that you have made. You can hop into here and be like, well, I have this title, how I stop my channel procrastination, but how to stop wasting your time and start making progress. This might be a better title, to be honest. So then, boom, you copy the title right here, and then you hop into your YouTube studio, change right away, and then boom, you have this new title that can actually perform better. And here's the thing. You don't really have to do this for only one video. Like, you can just hop in here, and then if you had 200 videos you've made in the past, which I have around like 250, you can boom, look into all of these videos you've made in the past, and I have like all of these videos, and I can change all of these titles. By the way, I changed most of these titles with Agent Gold and they started performing much better. And just like this, your channel will have a much fresh breath. But then the question rises, what do I do if I actually haven't made this video that I want to title? And then boom, the featured titles from me essentially enters the chat. And this is a tool essentially that you can use by entering a full script. You can enter a short description, you can enter bullet points, you can enter captions, you can enter anything here, and then it gives you title suggestions. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to enter a short description, a very short description of a video I could make on my channel, and here let's see what Agent Gold comes up with. How to make budget but high protein meals for university students. Let's go, generate titles, thinking. And boom, it came up with all of these titles that I can essentially title this video with. Fuel your studies, high protein meals on a budget. Perfect, like that's a very good title. University Hacks, affordable protein meal packed meals. That's a very good one as well. Student Fuel, budget friendly high protein recipes. Like if you're making this video, as a YouTuber I can tell you all of these first three titles we looked at, they can actually probably perform really well. And that's why Agent Gold's title suggestions are 10 times better than any other title suggestion tool I've seen on YouTube. Why? Because if you go into ChatGPT, it gives you all of these things that has actually nothing really to do with what you have entered. It gives you very random suggestions because it's not specifically for YouTubers, but Agent Gold is for specifically YouTubers. That's why all of these titles you can use, boom, 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 very good. Now, what you can do here is you can go here, copy the title, and you can go favorite the title, or you can essentially click onto this, and boom, if you don't know what this is the idea list that we have in Agent Gold, which you can check out by the other videos I made on this channel. But simple as that, you can enter a very short description of the video, and then boom, these are going to happen. But let's see what happens if I enter a full script. So let's go to my Notion and copy this entire script. It's a very long script, as you can see. Okay, just copy it and paste it here. Let's go generate titles. And boom, all of these titles came up again. My style and click magnet. Now, the first look into the title that it gave me, I'm not going to be using, obviously, all of them while breaking free from motivation to action. Like, that is a little far from the video. But when I look into here, I can definitely use this one. Why just do it didn't work for me? Actually, this title is much better than mine. I'm not gonna lie. I'm just gonna copy this, which I'll use. And also, when I look into the click magnets, the first one, why just take action, advice fails you. Probably this one is better than the first one that I talked about. So I'm also gonna copy this one. I'm probably gonna use the last one. And just like this, if you enter a full script, you can get a title suggestion. And the thing is, you can probably think about these title suggestions yourself as well, and you should be doing that as a YouTuber, but using Agent Gold for this will save you a lot of time and it will give you many more perspectives that probably you wouldn't be able to come up with yourself. Why? Technology. Alright, if you want to use Agent Gold, link in the description, the only link in the description, and you can use it with a free trial, and if you're a YouTuber, this is going to be a game changer for you.